What's up my people, it's your boy Jay Zimenovs. We are back again with another video. Before we do anything, like, comment, share and subscribe. Today we're discussing a very interesting topic. We are looking at the rise of the Ngweres. So let's get into the video. Watch the video till the end, guys. In 1990, Jimmy Mdereri was born, an icon in the Zimdanzo industry, popularly known as Silent Killer or Ngwere. Silent Killer started his musical career back then in 2006. He was still in high school. Later, fast forward to 2023, Silent Killer dropped the album Ngwere. Ngwere Silent Killer adopts names like Ngwere Mlonyen, branding himself and repeating imagery. So over time, this nickname stuck. Silent Killer became popularly known simply as Ngwere, elevating his persona. Yeah, cover something iconic and provocative. Man. From 2023 onwards, Silent Killer's brand resonated and others began adopting similar monikers like NgwereLite, trying to benefit from the cred. NgwereLite explicitly labeled some as the refined version of Silent Killer, Saga NgwereLite, even winning a BMW at the National Cup Clash, gaining a strong visibility. Silent Killer himself expressed no objection to being imitated. Achingoto ukangotedzerwa style rangu ubva wina bima. I am 100% okay with that. This follows the rise of Yekwamutoko, George Gaza, and Ngwere Diki.
Yekwamutoko, I want you to kiss around Poko. Thanks, the chitty. Wakandona ndiriku kunge friziti. Wadandita chunge chupiti. Kudandita zi kunge zipiti.
Moving on to 2025, where a new Ngwere is born. Ngwere Diki. Ngwere Diki is dominating the streets. It's viral all over the social media, securing some big deals with various brands and also being invited to the DJ Ola podcast.
Everything is under control.
So let me know, guys, in the comment section, Ngwere no pizza, and also what do you think of pattern Ngwere Silent Killer? Do you think with Ingoro inspiration or they should completely do their own thing? But one love, Ngwere. So you heard it, guys. Like, comment, share and subscribe.